Normal jeans into maternity jeans tutorial. For additional measurements and information, please read the description. Start with marking the middle of the seam on the waistband. And then make some markings for unpicking. Unpick the waistband, side seam and belt loop until the markings and lastly cut the waistband at the marking. Unfold the waistband and finish the waistband with a zigzag stitch or overlocker. Get the elastic triangle that you cut. Measure the width of the waistband and mark it on the elastic. Line the marking up 1 cm below the top edge of the jeans and pin the elastic in place. Sew the elastic in place. Pin the elastic to the other side as well. Sew in place. Now you will close the gap. Put a pin in the gap to keep it in place. Sew the gap closed. Fold the waistband over the elastic and make sure it overlaps 1 cm. Pin the waistband in place as shown. Sew the waistband in place as shown. And sew the top edge as well. Pin and sew the other side of the waistband in place. Sew the belt loop back in place. Top stitch the seam flat. And then you've got your beautiful maternity jeans that fit and look like normal jeans. Hope you've enjoyed and thank you for watching.